The Collapsible Beach Wagon Cart is designed with a robust steel frame, enabling it to support up to 330 pounds, making it perfect for transporting heavy items like camping gear and groceries. Equipped with all-terrain wheels, this wagon ensures smooth movement across surfaces such as sand, grass, and soil, thanks to its dual bearings and rotating front wheel design. The adjustable handle of the wagon allows for easy maneuvering and fits comfortably for users of different heights, locking securely in place for better control. Its compact design allows the wagon to fold effortlessly without the need for tools, making storage and transportation highly convenient. This versatile wagon is ideal for various activities, including camping, shopping, gardening, and picnicking, offering a lightweight and foldable solution for everyday use. Sayoyo prioritizes customer satisfaction, providing a worry-free shopping experience and support, although it is important to note that it is not intended for transporting children.